Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove an engine and also transmission on 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Yeah, this car, it's a park car. I'm not going to fix this car, but I'm gonna use as a part car. So as you see, he had a really bad accident. It's not a problem. I'm gonna take the engine out with the transmission, of course, right there. I start kind of taking stuff out, but this is mostly just body part, nothing to do with engine yet. So guys, let's do it. You guys get the popcorn, enjoy the video. The car had a really bad accident and the whole front was pushed inside. I need access for the engine. In my case, I'm gonna remove the whole front. As you see, it's moving. It's not really hard. You remove the main cover, and then you take two screws here, two screws down here, another one it's there as well, here 3, and then here 1, and another one is all down right here. It just broke. Now I'm gonna take the whole front out, the radiator, and then we can see the engine. What we're gonna remove, this is gonna be a really quick removal, because probably I'm gonna remove the engine with the transmission as well connected. Here is the front side of the car without the radiator. It's right there. Now what I'm gonna do is taking all the coolant hoses out. Try to get the wire harness as well. There is the engine mount. Probably it's very easy to be removed. Right there too. There's the situation under the car. So we have one drive shaft in the front, and then we have another drive shaft in the back, which I already removed. As you can see here. Why I removed the drive shaft, like I said guys, I need to remove the transmission too, and I'm gonna take the whole engine and transmission through the front of the car. I'm just gonna pull it out. So okay, let's go quick. I'm not gonna disconnect the transmission from the engine. I'll take everything out. I'll disconnect the exhaust from here and also here. Also, I'm gonna disconnect the drive shaft from there This is the front one, and then I'll take it out from here. So I'm gonna have space to pull in the engine in the front, and then we check everything around. So far so good. We have only some wire harness and I think the shifter to disconnect, which it comes from here and then goes right there, right here. Now we're gonna remove the nuts for the transmission mount, 21 millimeters. To me, looks like this is the only mount. We have to be able to lift up the transmission when we're gonna remove it. As you see here, I removed everything around. Took all the hoses, coolant hose and the air vacuum plastic hoses out. As well on the right side, the wire harness and stuff like that. So I have this, I have left the connectors for the O2 sensors. I don't know, I can show you guys the connectors. Goes, if I'm not wrong, goes behind it. If you can see it, I mean, you can remove them under the car. It's right there, all the way. So I'm gonna lift up one more time the car for last time, and then I'll put it all the way down. So I'm gonna hook to the engine and remove it. Like I said before, also make sure behind the engine you remove all the coolant pipes and wire harness. There's 2 pipes right there. I'm gonna put it down the car so I can access back to in the back of the engine. So here we go inside. I'm gonna save some time to not unscrew the shifter cables close to the transmission. I'm gonna unscrew them on top of it, so they're gonna just fall down. And I'm gonna take the transmission out, as you see right here. You guys, it's not necessarily for you to do that, but you can repeat as well my way. Anyway, I removed the whole interior here, so I don't have to, you know, take everything out. That's it, right there. That's another 2 bolts to be removed. So all the wire. Let me do the same thing on the right side. Unfortunately, here we don't have access, so I think we will need to screw the bolts from this side. Yeah, so you have Alright guys, so I start pulling out the engine with transmission out. I wanna show you pretty quick something. You have two bolts on the exhaust right here. You're gonna be able to remove it very easily. As well here. That's gonna help you to take the engine out smooth and easy too. Yeah, I'm gonna take everything out, put it on the ground, and I'll you can you know, take a look what did I leave on the car, and what guys you can remove and it doesn't need to be removed. So let me pull it out. Here's the quick view of engine bay. So I did remove the fuse box and the battery holder, the exhaust, the drive shaft, the coolant hoses. Alright guys, so here is the engine. I left many things on the engine while it was removed. You guys can take a look, and if you want to remove only the engine, you can figure out what to take out and what to leave on the engine. So I did leave the air intake manifold, alternator, AC compressor, all this in front. This is the, to me, what? Oh, this is the vacuum pump. Next, here is on top. Of course, I removed the wire harness, just the connectors, so the entire engine wire harness is on the engine still. Also, here is the transmission and transfer case. So pay here attention guys. I removed the gas lines, the pipes from straight from the gas tank, fuel tank. You guys gonna figure out it's gonna be on the right side of the car, passenger side. There's the tank is right here supposed to be, and there's the two hoses comes from the tank. The drive shaft right here from the transfer case, another one in the front through transaxle right there in front. So far this is it. Also, I did remove the exhaust, the catalytic converters, the right side and the left side. This is the way I removed the engine, the entire engine. That's it guys, that's the car. You can take a look for a second before I'm gonna end up the video. You can take a look and figure out how is the car without the engine, and that's gonna definitely help you to remove your engine as well. All right guys, that was mechanic mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a comment below, thumbs up, and share. You know, maybe someone will need the help to work on a 2020, 21, 22 Jeep Gladiator. That's it. That was mechanic mode. See you next time.